When you create 3D model and if you want to export it on your website, it's very important that you have to optimize shadows and light. You can see it's create automatic shadow here, and you have to bake this shadow on the scene. Look at that. We insert another. You can see it has a little shadow. It's computing. So in properties, we have lightmap parameter. Use lightmap. It's baking these lights and the shadows. And if you have an animation, for example, on this, you can see the shadows and lights are static. It's very important for static. But if you don't want, you have animation or something like that, you can turn it off. Or if you don't want shadow for computing or lower the the volume, the files, you can cast shadow, turn off. For example, for this ball, boom. You can see now it doesn't have any shadow. And if you export it, it has lower number value in file. So every object that has this. But if you go to scene setting, we have, where was that? I think yeah, that's here. Lightmap enable or disable. If you enable it, you have to go to the, it's automatically detected that. But if you want, you can go here and reduce or increase or decrease the number of your shadow. For example, if you want to a smaller size file, you can go in here, larger, you can go here. So you can make quality and then compute the light map. Okay, computing the light map, and it's baking the lights, baking the shadows, and based on your setting, it will be, you can export it for your file. So if you want to a smaller size of file, reduce the number of the shadows and the quality if you want to upload in your website. So it's in scene setting. And save. Don't forget to save, and you are free to go to export your file to HTML file, and it reach the smaller number of the size of file. That's it.